Most shark populations around the world are in decline. So in addition to things like overfishing, there's other hazards that may be contributing to those population declines, including exposure to pollutants. Because sharks are typically near the top of the food chain, they tend to accumulate those contaminants at high concentrations. And because of that, it could be very toxic to them because they're accumulating it at such high levels.
Today we were going out field sampling in St. Helena Sound in order to try and catch a couple of different kinds of species of sharks, a finetooth shark and a sandbar shark. We go out with the South Carolina DNR on their boats and use a variety of different fishing techniques to catch sharks. And then we take some small muscle tissue and blood samples and take them back to the lab with us and test them for those contaminants.
So we have various catching techniques. We're constantly rotating between the 3 different types of gear and checking them and rebaiting them if they need new bait, pulling the sharks in.
Maybe even 5. Just don't know.
We'll put them on a measuring board, get them measured so that we know their lengths, and then take some blood from the caudal vein. And then after the blood draw, we typically take a muscle biopsy, and that'll also be used for things like contaminant analysis and stable isotope analysis.
Every day is just kind of a little unpredictable, so you just kind of cross your fingers and hope that today's going to be a good day. Partnering with the South Carolina DNR has been really beneficial because they've been doing this particular survey for quite a long time.
29000.
They already know kind of the areas to routinely have success catching these sharks, and they have enough history and understanding of those sharks in order to kind of help us with our research. We are trying to get a better understanding of how those are moving about within the ecosystem and how they might be impacting the coastal communities in the area, and be able to inform the public and hopefully also inform public policy to some extent.
I have always loved marine ecosystems and organisms, and getting to interact with them and getting to do what we hope is research that helps preserve those organisms and ecosystems makes me really happy.